Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing a reliable power source and a stable platform. Place a medium printer and a battery near the core site so you can craft and store power. Once done, hook an RTG or a wind turbine to the base and make sure you have at least 20 compound and 10 resin on hand to build connectors and power lines. This prevents interruptions. You want continuous output while activating the core. You now assemble the core assembly step by step. Craft and attach the habitat module and required auxiliary units, then route power cables from generator to battery and into the core socket. Make sure voltage stays above the activation threshold. If not, add batteries in parallel. Next, install the reactor and feedstock chute into the housing slots, aligning connectors visually. Taking time here avoids miswired slots and ensures the core receives stable input for the final. You initiate activation by loading the correct feedstock and starting the control panel sequence. Press Activate and monitor the lights, heat gauge, and power draw. If heat climbs, throttle back fuel or cycle batteries to cool. Once online, verify output stability for 1 to 2 minutes and confirm telemetry reads green. If the core fails, immediately cut power, inspect cable routing and module seating. Then replace any depleted battery or reset the control panel before retrying.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.